Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to update the app Pinterest. If you want to update your Pinterest application, then you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet service, and this also depends on the type of device that you're using. Now this video is specially made for Android, but for the iOS as well, it's a similar procedure, just the interface might be quite different and the system might be different. But what you need to do is, first thing first, on your Android, open up your respective Play Store. When you do this, tap on the search bar and type in Pinterest on the search bar. Here, if you could find update, then click on it. It's going to take a while. And also make sure that you're connected to an internet service while you're updating the app. And once the application states open, that means the app is completely updated. And then you could go and explore the options as well. And for the iOS device, you need to open up App Store, not Play Store. You have to open up App Store and then tap on the search bar, type in Pinterest, and then you can either upload or offload the app. So this way you'll be able to update the Pinterest app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.